Hello everyone, welcome to CATIA tutorial. I am RAKESH, Assistant Professor in Department of Mechanical Engineering, Kids Warangal. In this video lecture, I am going to explain how to create the given model in CATIA V5 software. This is the given 2D sketch. We can consider this here. One center rectangle is there. This rectangle, four corners, the radius is 10 mm. In the center one circle is there, the circle diameter is 40 mm. In the bottom one elongated hole is there. This elongated hole width is 20 mm and this curve radius is 20 mm, and the distance between these two centers is 140 mm. And the above circle we are having one elongated holes, and center axis radius is 70 mm, and this radius is that is equal to 20 mm diameter. After completion of this 2D sketch, we exit from that workbench and applying the pad tool. Let us open CATIA V5 software, file, new, part design, then click OK. In the specification tree, you can choose one of the plane. I am choosing this YZ plane. Next, click on sketch tool. The first one, you need to select one set, take center rectangle from predefined profile toolbar. Draw the one center rectangle and apply the constraints. The square dimension is 200 mm, width is 200 mm, and height also 200 mm. That is given in the sketch, 200 mm. Next, the center having one circle. With the help of circle tool, we need to construct one circle at the center. Apply the constraint. The circle diameter is 40 mm. Next, this center rectangle, four corners having one curve shape is the curve radius is 10 mm. With the help of corner tool, we can create a curvature part. The tool is available in the operation toolbar. Go to the insert operation corner. Now select here the default one is trim all elements. Select first element and second element. The radius is 10 mm. Then click OK. Yes. Similarly, you can apply to all sides. 1, 2, the radius is 10 mm. Repeat the same step to remaining corners. First length and second edge, radius is 10 mm. Then click enter. The last corner, this one first element, second element, radius is 10 mm. Then click enter. The next one is in the bottom we are having one elongated hole. The elongated hole width is center to distance between these two centers is 140 mm and width is 20 mm. The tool is available in the predefined profile toolbar. This is the elongated hole. Define the center to center distance, then define a point on the elongated hole. Now apply the constraints. The distance between center to center is 140 mm. Next, here one constraint is there. This center point is you can take left side or right side. This center, the distance between the center and edge is 30 mm with respect to vertical edge and horizontal edge. With the help of constraint tool, select the center and this edge. The distance is 30 mm. Next, similarly, give the constraint to this center point and this horizontal distance is 30 mm. the top you're having one cylindrical elongated hole. The tool is also available in predefined toolbar, uh, that is cylindrical elongated hole. With the help of this center point, draw one, uh, click to define the radius and start point of arc, and automatic, then click the second point and drag to outside. Just you can keep the mouse point on this cylindrical elongated hole. Now apply the constraints. This centered axis radius is 70 mm. Next, next give the next you can also apply the angle, that is 35 degrees. For that purpose you can draw the one axis line. With the help of this axis line you can draw one axis line. Now apply the constraint, that means angle constraint. With the help of constraint, select this axis and horizontal. This angle is 35 mm. Similarly, you can apply to the left side, or draw the one axis, the center to this center. Next, apply the constraint, that means angle constraint. This axis and horizontal axis. This angle is 35 degrees. Now 2D sketch is completed. After completion of this 2D sketch, you can exit from this workbench. Choose pad tool. Just you can click on this warning. Now give the length, that is 20 mm. You can enter the given length in the question. Then click preview. Okay. This is the final output for this given model. If you want to print this model in 3D printer, you can save this file in the format of STL. Save type is STL. This is the model 3. I think this is the model 1. For importing this file in the 3D printer, you need to save this file in the format of STL. Then click save. This is the procedure to create the given model in CATIA V5 software. I hope this is very clear to everyone. Thank you for watching. Please do like and subscribe my channel for more updates.